Good morning, friends. Myself Vikas Sharma. I welcome all of you. Friends, today I am going to show you the written stories, how to write impressive, simple, and practical stories. Friends, first of all, I'll show you a picture followed by five themes of that picture related to that picture, and thereafter two written story over two themes. So let's get started. Friends, the picture, just look at the picture. That's a picture. I am going to show you now five themes regarding this picture. You just look at the picture, what minute things you can see in the background, characters, mood of the character, age of the character, all these things you have to perceive. After watching this picture for 30 seconds, after deciding, after looking at the background, every minute thing, the number of characters, age, their gender, now you have to decide a theme. Now I am going to show you certain themes, five themes I have written it. There are numerous things you can write it. I have just written five themes. You just look at those themes. These themes, the first theme is beautification of the railway station. Second one is replace diesel engine with the electric one. Third one is landslide protection measures. Fourth one is ensuring passenger safety in the train. Fifth one is first passenger train in the hill station, people waiting outside to welcome pilot and passengers. So these are the five themes I have written. You may write some more themes, whatever thing is available in the foreground or background, you can take it from there, any theme, and you can write it. Now I have written two stories over these first and two themes. The first one is beautification of the railway station. Friends, this is the first story which I have written, beautification of the railway station. An ITBP personnel, Devesh Chandra, was posted in Uttarakhand along Indo-China border. One day he visited nearby station. And felt the need of station beautification. He talked to his immediate senior and his colleagues. He inspired them to work 1 hour daily in rest time. He approached station master and received his permission. He availed fund from local station fund. He managed all essential items such as paintbrush, color cans, white paint, etc. He whitewashed and decorated whole station magnificently with the help of his colleagues. Thus, his initiative changed the station into a beautiful place. So, friends, this is a simple, positive, and practical story. Here you have shown several obsolete qualities. First one, in first two line you have shown your introduction, thereafter you felt the need of station beautification, that is your aim, your theme. Thereafter 5 to 6 steps you took to carry out this theme, these are the most favorable outcomes. And at the last you have shown in that the his initiative changed the station into a beautiful place, this is your conclusion. So likewise you have divided the whole story into four parts. First one is introduction, second one is your theme, third one is your generated ideas, and fourth one is conclusion in one line. Now, as I was telling you, you have shown several obsolete qualities in that one. The first one you have seen here, you have shown here sense of responsibility. You felt the need of stress and beautification. This is called sense of responsibility. Means you wanted to do anything. You thereafter you talk to your immediate senior. You are a disciplined man. You follow the channel, and you took initiative here. You inspired your colleagues, so you have inspirational quality, you have persuasive quality, inspirational persuasive for the good work. Then thereafter you approach station master and receive fund, so you have we can say this managing qualities. You talk to person, took permission from the station master. Thereafter you received fund from there. Thereafter you show your organizational ability by managing all essential items for the required task. In that later on you have shown group activities also with your friends. You have decorated that one. You have shown initiative. So all these are your obsolete qualities, and whenever any assessor checks you, so he assesses you on these, on the parameters of these obsolete qualities. So you have to arrange it in orderly fashion, and thereafter you have to write it. And you just divide the story in four parts, which I have mentioned now. Now the second story, without wasting the time, let's move to the second story. Second story is replace diesel engine with electric one. Friends, Vishnu was an RPF personnel newly posted to remote area of Himachal Pradesh. He experienced that diesel train was polluting the beautiful hill station. He got excited to stop it. He made the station master and come to know the procedure to replace with electric train. He wrote a letter to zonal head, signed by numerous local people. He advocated to preserve the natural beauty. He continued following up the letter and personally talked to zonal head over phone. After his consistent efforts of several months, the proposal was accepted, and later it was replaced with electric train. So this is again a simple story. This is the need of the hour, and you have shown here also several OLQs. The first one is again you experience that diesel, so sense of responsibility. You are just seeing your sense of responsibility here. Next one is your excitement to do this one. Thereafter you meet station master, your discipline behavior, you are following the channel again. Later to the zonal head, your communication skill, you are communicating through the letter. Your group is, you are involving all people in this one, so it shows your group qualities, your social skill. You are natural lover also in natural beauty. You are preserving it. You advocated in the letter as well. You are persistent here. He's telling in this story you are showing he following up the letter, and consistently you have talked to him. So you are showing your consistency here, and later on the it was replaced. So you have again shown several obsolete qualities. Friends, these are 5 themes and 2 stories, but I want to request you You don't mug up these old stories. I'm giving you just idea how to write the impressive and practical stories, but don't try to rotten up, because it's not going to match with your personality. This is written by me, so it matches with my personality. And as we know, psychologist, IO and GTO, they assess your quality with your, they assess your written or your interview, all these things on the basis of your qualities, on your personalities. So first develop your good personality. This story you can be mastered in this story after, if you continuously every day you write 5 story, after 2 months you will become a master of this story, VAT, SRT, you will write beautifully. But that doesn't if those things don't match with your personality, these are not going to be fruitful for you. So I request you, you work on yourself, just develop your personality, and thereafter when you write it, that will match with that one. And that is the real requirement of the assessors. So friends, keep practicing, keep improving your personality, and do it in your daily life. Personality, whatever personality you are changing, follow in your general life. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you abundance of success, a lots of happiness. You succeed in your life, become a defense officer. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.